So I have Dr. Deep Shah with me. We are at the CO Trauma Foundation course and organized on 29th and 30th of July. So Dr. Deep, tell us about your experience in the course.
So it's a very comprehensive 2-day course in which they have covered all the basics, all the fundamentals that even though they are given in the book, but the understanding over here is far more better. When they explain it, they give examples and they cater to all our doubts, irrespective of how much ever basics they are.
So when you say basics, what did you learn in the basics?
So all the starting from the I would say the basic anatomy to the basic mechanics, which are the way they are quoted in the book, are very difficult to comprehend. Maybe we'll be reading in the book, but then the understanding and the application of it's difficult, which are not taught in the PG courses as such in the hospitals. But over here, they are explained pretty well, sir.
So they said 100 days with the books is less than a day with a teacher.
Definitely, sir.
So you mean to say that teacher is explaining you the concepts better here?
100%.
All right. So there were some cases being shown to you.
Sir.
And they had discussed with you how to approach that.
Yes, sir.
Did you find that interactive and of utility to you?
Yes, that was the best part, sir. As how do you approach a case? So a patient comes to you, how do you look at it? Like what we were taught in the department was a lot different than the approach that was taught to us over here, which was far more better and far more patient oriented, and it would help us get better results.
All right, Deep. And most of the things here were scientific. They were not anecdotal. They were not, I do this. It is about what should be done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Were you able to understand those concepts?
Absolutely, sir.
All right. And how excited are you to go for an advanced or pinnacle course where there'll be hand-on workshop?
So 100%, I'm actually looking forward to it. I hope that you have one in Mumbai as well, sir.
Fantastic. All the very best to you. Thank you very much.